So let's walk you through how to build a forget password screen. So in the forget password, in this lesson, we're going to teach you how to design the UI, how to implement the functionality of the forgot password, and it will also teach you how to send a pull notification. For example, when you click on forget password in an application, you enter your email that you should already send the application, then you get a OTP in your email. So we are going to teach you in this lesson how to do such functionality in your application. It's very simple, it's not technical, because we are going to be handling everything to make sure it go easy for you. We are years of experience in this field, and this is the best place for you to learn. So we're going to make the whole process very easy and simple for you to understand, and you're able to do it as we go along together. Okay? Yeah. So this is the screen, as you can see, the forget password screen. The same thing you are going to be achieving together. We are going to be showing you how to now reset the password. Now, the previous class will teach you how to create the forgot password. We send OTP to the user email, right? Good. So in this class, we are going to teach you how to now implement and reset the user password. In this class, what we do is design the UI of the reset password, as you can see on my screen. Then the user have to now input the new password that the user want to use and the OTP that was sent to the user email. So the OTP is basically for security purpose. So for the system to know the right owner when you click on forgot password. So because anybody that come to the system and you click on forget password and reset, so does it make sense? So we need to notify the user. So by so doing, we need to send OTP to the user email. So all of this, we're going to be teaching you how to implement in your application. Okay. So in this class, like I said, we'll teach you how to implement new password reset and update and confirm with the OTP sent to the user email. So if the user entered wrong OTP, it will not work. So I'm going to teach you how to do such functionality. Just as you can, just like what I said earlier before, the same procedure Facebook and Google is using. I will be teaching you how to implement such functionality in your application in this class. All right, so